Hello and welcome to the Automation Pub. Today we're going to talk about Omron safety products, which are designed to protect your people, your machines, and your productivity.
That's right, Brandon. Omron has a comprehensive lineup of safety products and technologies, from light curtains and laser scanners to door switches and relays to controllers and operator controls. They have everything you need to keep your team and factories safe from operational hazards while minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency.
And Omron is not just a supplier of safety products, they also a partner in safety solutions. They have over 80 years of experience in automation, and they have experts who can help you design, implement, and maintain your safety systems.
Thank you for the introduction. Omron offers a comprehensive range of safety products covering every aspect of machine safety. Whether you need to detect the opening of guards or doors, prevent intrusion into hazardous areas, or build safety circuits, Omron has the ideal safety product for your application. Omron's safety products include laser scanners for area protection, door interlocks for preventing unauthorized access to hazardous areas, limit switches for detecting the position of mechanical guards, e-stop switches for halting equipment functions in emergencies, rope pull switches for stopping machines along conveyor lines, light curtains for detecting presence in protected fields, safety logic controls for monitoring and managing safety systems.
Well, that's all the time we have today. We hope you enjoyed this episode of the Automation Pub and learned something new about Omron's safety products. If you have any questions, reach out to Nate or I.
And don't forget to visit vcawi.com, where you can find more resources and solutions for your automation needs. Thanks for watching.
Cheers.
Cheers.